A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So just right before we start, two reminder. First up, Wednesday we are going live back to 6:08 PM Singapore time, and we will be going through 12 currency analysis. If you have not liked our Facebook, please go to www.facebook.com/forex100.org. The link is right below. And also, if on the 25th you are in Singapore and love to attend our workshop, the link is at the bottom as well, as we will spend some time to share with you the first step to trade in at the comfort of your home. Alright, so on euro dollar, we are looking at a downtrend movement. However, the previous low has been retested, so it does give counter trend trader an opportunity to look for a buying opportunity. Head down to 4-hour chart, we can see that moving into a consolidation over here. So there are two potential outcomes that can happen over here. It can be a counter trend signal for a buying opportunity or a consolidation at this part, and it may give you a bear flag pattern to extend even downwards. Head down to 1-hour chart, we can see that market is on a consolidation. Consolidation breeds to harmonic pattern. Alright, back to daily chart. As I share with you my analysis, the downtrend channel on the yellow box over here. And if we head down to 4-hour chart, we can see that there is this bear back pattern that already formed up and already trigger our trade for a buying opportunity. So for traders who have not engaged a trade, lucky you, on the 1-hour chart there is a godly pattern, which the entry price is much lower than that back pattern. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and we are looking forward to see you soon.